everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, so today I am very excited to show my new RAG application. I know many of you are waiting for this one, especially for the new style and new structure. Today I am going to explain everything step by step how the RAG application works and why I rebuilt it, what problems where I faced and old versions. What is some why I am built this one new versions? Why? See here, before going to the new my RAG application, we can go through my old version also. See here, this is the main front end part of the my RAG application older version. Definitely when I see here there is not a good structure, not a good style part here. And also see there is a once the when I open this one project, it will only show this part only. There is no home page, there is no correct navbar, there is no proper structure, there is no everything not a structured way. See here, suppose if the user is sign up page, it's not a good here also see. But backend part is exactly works very well, but I'm not really like this one front end part. And once if the user is a sign in, after see that there is no one single page, only user roaming around this only single page. That's makes that's not a makes a really good. See that upload a document part is there, the ask the question part contain and AI document assistant. This is like the heading part. This is not a AI document assistant. This is a really rag, but this is the one of the mistake also. And see here the also the toggle is there. Toggle, when I click the toggle and the document export text to only JSON. But in my new RAG applications, if you want to export the data in the format PDF, text, doc and MD file also is I added those features also. And if you want to delete there is no proper structure here. Exactly, there is no user profile informations. And also the upload the documents, the RAG, it means only showing those documents in the front end, but there is no documents here. The user only manually upload the ask the question. It's like AI sent like that. It's not a good. And see here, if the user upload the documents, user not able to see the what are the documents he have uploaded really, because see there they are overlapping with another, and that's not a good. And also if they ask the questions and the answer is giving the good, but the answer is not a structure and format way. Suppose if the answer, see here, the user asks the question, see the how the AI is thinking, and it will give the answer. The limited answer, there is no proper correct. But backend everything it's good, but the UI user experience and UI part is not as much as good. I thought this one I want to build. Definitely really I thought, okay, this is a working logically, but not usable for the real users. That's why I built a newer version of my RAG applications. I added some more features also there. Okay, now let's open my newer lag application. Yeah, see, this is the animations I added. The see the animation part, and also you can see the really the UI part, the user interface and user experience is really good here. See the my project. The title is AI powered knowledge retrieval from the documents. This is the title is a correct exact to the RAG application. And see the animation part is the smooth animation, the user experience. Everything is there. And why document query? See here the some features animation with I added also multi-document using semantic search, so grounded answer like this, and perfect for the users, students, teachers, any developers can use this one. That's really helpful. Also I showed here how the RAG really works, how the real exactly it works. I showed here, suppose if the user is a type the query here, and once the query is matched with the document here, the docs, and that docs and user retrieval information passes to the LLM. LLM, it will be uh, make that answer in a structure format with it will show the some you know some citations part as well as see this is the main steps the really how the rack really exactly works. And what is the main difference Gen AI and talk query? Gen AI is a similar when the Gen AI or ChatGPT, Gemini, these all exactly act like a rack when the user is upload the documents. And this is the raw docker query is a specific purpose only rack. If in the exactly how this is the differ from the each other static grounded you are upload the documents, zero hallucination answer only context optimize the PDF technique report and API exact page level citations. Everything is only grounded with the PDF only. There is no extra information, there is no low information, lower information, everything is related to the PDFs. Okay, now let's enter into the my new world era. Just click get started. Okay, just before I want to show, if you want to contact me, you can contact the GitHub. You can also GitHub is there my account. You can click this one automatically. This all the works very well. LinkedIn also is there. Instagram is also. You can contact with also here. Just click the get started. Yes, see is the main sign up page. See the my old one. This one is a very different. They both are very different. You can see the pop-up card is there, but there is no pop-up card like that. But only background is the play color. This is the black only, not a exactly full black. This is a shoe. This is exactly pop-up card. He's here. See here the email address, username, passport. But already I created one account. I don't need to create again one. Sign in. This is sign in. If you want to forget the password, you can just click the change the password as well as if you want to sign in, just click the sign in. I already have the account. Yes, just click it. Yeah, this is the my main dashboard. See here the dashboard and my old rag application. This one you can compare. There is no document and there I didn't show any document in my old rag application. See here I'm showing a lot of the documents. See here documents, and this is the search bar. User can is upload here. You can, if the user can, if you're not able, he can also give the query over the voice also through voice. The powerful features semantic search. This will search the user query related to the world meaning. Semantic searches are related to the world meaning that will search also. Smart chunks, key insights, export PDF innovator, highlight the comments, save the insights of the directly PDF. Favorites, if you want to like the some PDFs, you can save those in the favorite parts. Search history. Yes, definitely. And whatever the user is the conversations with the AI, that will be automatically stored in the search. Just to export data, you can export the data in the form very different formats. Okay. The AI power. Here, I am showing these documents are already processed in the backend part. And why I'm showing this? If the user is a directly come and he can definitely come and he will ask some questions. The user. Suppose if you want to click this one, if user want to upload the document, you can click the upload the documents. And also, if the user is asked any questions here, this will automatically search. It will match the user query with the related to the documents. How this exactly works in a backend? This is the really works in a backend. The RAG logic. Suppose if here I am showing these documents, they are already processed in the backend part. How? Uh, each and every PDF, each and every PDF will be extracted text from each PDF that will be converted into chunks, and again after chunks that will be tokens, and then the token is converted into embeddings. Those embeddings in the form of the numbers, those are all stored in the vector database. We are storing the vector database for the checking the cosine similarity for the user query and the PDF informations. Suppose if the user is uploaded the document same the RAG logical, it will be go through same. And if the user asks any query, the again user query is the same process. If the user asks any questions here, suppose you ask any question like what are the learning algorithms or anything questions, any question. Suppose if you ask the question, this question is again, uh, it will be take the same logic, like it will convert to the keywords and embeddings that is stored again embeddings that will be matched to vector db, and again this will match to the this documents, which document is the most related to this user query, that will be shown in the citation part. I will show that one. Okay, suppose if I ask this question here, just hit the enter button, that will go into the AI chat. See, yeah, this is the AI chat, you know, AI chat conversion, the AI thing. Now see here, this is the answer, the main answer, and the key points and detailed answer you can see here. This is the summary, this is the reference to the documents. You know, see why it is showing this documents only here, because the user queries more related to the this documents. Hmm? They are more related to this document based on the cosine similarity. The cosine similarity, like here, this is the, you know, see the, if I click this each document, see the vector similarity, that is the 65%, and the keyword matching is a 929, total score is a 94. And you can see is the keyword found, the keyword matching, the algorithm is learning the everything, because why it's showing the 22 and 6 and 3rd is based on the total sorted scoring, based on that is showing, it is showing only 3 PDFs, because I kept only 3 PDFs higher priority 3 PDFs. If you want to, you can change the backend, but if whatever if you want to, you can change it. This will show the more number of documents. Apart from this three, it will show. See here, this is the copy part. This is the, if you want to save, this is the favorite part. Also click this one, like this, like, and the regenerate. If you want to regenerate this answer, you can just click the regenerate button. And second, this is the download. If you click this download, you can export the data in the form of PDF, document, text format, and the PDF also. Okay, and you can see your, this is the suggestion questions. The whatever it's showing here, those questions, the based on generated the AI response. Okay, based on generated AI response, you can click the, okay, this is the main part. Also here, suppose if you want to continue this chat, you can also ask the questions. If you want to upload the document upload, and you can again voice over, you can give the voice over also the query. Click the new chart. Suppose if you click the new chart, it will open the new chart. You can start the new conversation also. This is the favorite part. Also click this one if your chat will be stored in the here. Okay, this is the main part. And the history, you know, see here the history part, the, you know, already I told you the whatever the user is done in the chart, AI chart, that will be stored in the history part. You can see here it is showing the three icons here. The first one is a continue chat. If you click this one, it will automatically redirect you to the AI chart. Suppose if you want to rename the conversation, sorry, rename the history name, you can just click it. You can whatever you want to rename it. That's it. If you want to delete this one, you can just click this will automatically. If you want to continue chat, just click it. Just it will open the chat with AI. See here, you can ask the new questions based on the those documents. This will be answered like this. Yes, see here the next question: how does supervised learning, unsupervised learning algorithm differ from their approach and data analysis? Based on this will, no, see here again the different types of, because this is the show already shown this documents first one, because now third type, because why this is the not related that much to here, that's why this is the more related to six machine learning is the more related to the this query, that's a showing this one is the first and this is the third. Okay, this is the like that. And now favorite part, suppose if the user is like suppose if like the some PDFs, if you want to save in some more cap, you want to keep those PDFs into somewhere, just to click the icon. Suppose I show the one demo here. Okay, where is the, okay, types of machine learning, or you can click anything, just click the one PDF. I like this PDF. Just it will show my favorite part. Just see here. Just loading. Yeah. Now see here. PDF one PDF one. If you want to, if you want to dislike, you can dislike also. Recently added. Suppose if you want to search recently added or name wise, alphabet wise, then the first to size based on you can sort those things. And okay, this is the main thing here. And another one thing here. Suppose if you want to, I want to only chart with only specific document. I don't want to uh, my query uh, my query want to search the answer in a global way. I want to chat with this only single PDFs. You can search with, okay, definitely you can definitely chat with any PDF. You can take anything here, any from here or anything. Yeah, okay, you can take anything here. Just I click the what's the document name? Okay, BCS. Oh, chart the BCS 703 model topics. Okay, this is the my syllabus text. Okay, I will show. Yeah, suppose if the user is whatever he asks the questions here, that is only give the answer based on this document, not the globally. This is the only uh, you know mm, specific with this answer. The only answers are specific with this document. Suppose if I click the summarize this document, this will automatically summarize the document. See here, the summarization of this document, key points, details, anything here. How much is the answer? Same way, the question similarity, keyword search, total score, this keyword, everything is there. Also, suggest it will suggest each time the new questions. Okay, suppose you can ask anything. Suppose you can ask any questions from this video. What I want to ask here. Yeah, just I will pick one any part here. Yeah, just you can ask IoT design methodology. Just paste it. That will search. Yeah, yes, you can see here the IoT design methodology. If I ask that question, that will it give the answer like this. See here, step one, purpose requirement specification. Yes, definitely. See here, purpose requirement specification, process specification, and see here's process specification. Third one is the information model specification, and domain model specification, and service model specification. Yes, service model specification. Some more specifications are there. Because why it's showing only this? Because the output length of the I kept the limited. Because if you want to more a response from the AI, you can output length of the you can increase that automatically show the detail answer. It is showing a lot of the information. Yes, this is the how the exactly specific conversation with the specific chart. you know the each conversation with the specific chart like this it will works. If you want to like this document, you can just click it. That will store in there. If you want to click the new chart, just to click it. Okay, start the new conversation here. The favorite part, you can come here. You can see that document here. See the this is the I like that document in the specific chart. That's why, because it's showing also the history part. Summarize these documents already. If you just click it, that will automatically you can continue the chat on here like this. This is the main the rag working here. My main project features you can see these are the main features, and another one features are left. This is the toggle. You can click it, toggle, and can see here how it's look like. And if I in the during a chat, really see here, and the history part during the history see here, and the favorite part. See here the favorite neighbor, and then different neighbors. You can see here how the toggle exactly works here. In also his I added the I maintain the specific user profile settings and related to each users. Just click it profile settings. You can see here the user can change their profile photo, change the photo, remove, and first name, last name, changes anything like that. And if you want just to change, okay, Why it's not a disable? Because it's the same already. I changed the same name. You give the different one name here, that will change automatically like this. Hmm. Mm. If I print this one, just click it, just save it automatically. Yes, successfully saved it. Just like this. This it works here. And see here the if you want to change the password, you can just click it to change passport. You can set the new password also here. It's easily. You can see the current password and set the new password. Update it. See here, there is no password is updated because I didn't enter the anything here. And yes, this is the new RAG application features, and it's really look very good. And your user interface, user experience and structure and everything. It's very I done in a nice way. Yeah. Also, I tried to deployment in this project in the render. I faced some issues. Uh, that is the I tried very. I've spent a lot of time on the deploying part as well as the backend. Suppose some the front end and everything is working very fine, but the backend is a crashes because why? Render provides only the bio 12 MB memory. The RAG processing requires high memory, like it requires very large storage because it's processed a lot of the documents here, chunks and vector DB, and RAG processing requires really a lot of the storage, and PDF processing also and embeddings consume a lot of the mem storage. If you remove these documents and only showing the like the user can upload the documents, it's not a like good. It not look like that good. Okay, that's the main problem here. There is no. Okay, this is the my RAG. This is good. That's why I showing this on this video and through this video because the main reason I'm making this video like a demo. Yeah, yeah, yes. This is the my complete RAG application. The compare with the old one, this one is a really you can change see the changes a lot of the changes. Definitely will see the lot of changes. Definitely a really huge UI improvement I done, and also professional experience, better structure. Yeah, some powerful backend logics also I done it, and I changed every single part. I really hope you like this project, and thank you so much for watching this one. If you have any suggestions regarding about this project, you can definitely mention in the comment box. Definitely I will take those. I will take your suggestions, and I will try to implement those features and also in this my project. Thank you.